تخش فصل.
You don't break, you rise, even when the world forgets your name. The darkness called me home, but I walked toward the flame. I grew from quiet suffering, a child unseen, unheard, unknown. Every night I stitched my wounds with threads of hope I found alone. My heart was bruised but beating, a quiet soldier in the night. And even drowning in the darkness, something in me still chose light. I fell, but I learned. Every fall teaches you how to burn, not in pain, but in strength. I rise again, I rise again. And I choose the light, even when the shadows scream my name. I choose the light, even when the world won't do the same. I'll never sink into the bitterness that tried to break my soul at night. No matter how deep the darkness gets, I choose light. I never had a love like theirs, but still I learned to recognize a spark, even when